Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. This is Pentaloft and my name is Peace. We have a new device in the building, Zealot S1 Sports Music Outdoor Flashlight. Take a look at this bad boy. Today we will do the unboxing of this stuff right here. This bad boy right here is a music player, a torchlight and a power bank. So you basically have three different stuffs in one. Checking out the specs, we have the 40mm neodymium stereo speakers, frequency response 20Hz to 20kHz, a built-in digital FM radio, outdoor waterproof wireless speaker function. This offers so much for only 4,000 naira. I'm so impressed by Zealot on this one. Over here says 3.5mm audio jack support, wired connection, integrated omnidirectional mic and a silicone jacket. Without further ado, let's jump straight to the unboxing of this stuff. Wow. This is the micro USB cable which you can use to charge the device. Wow, and it's a red color. This is so beautiful. Just take a look at this. Wow. Alright, over here we have the charging port. This is a micro USB charging port. Beside it is a USB port. Then there's a memory card slot for micro memory cards. This is the on and off switch, and here's the headphone jack for earpieces and headset. That's not all. We also have the touchlight button above. It's pretty bright, you know. I really love this speaker because it offers you with so much function that is just too good for a low budget Bluetooth speaker. Kindly tell me what you think about it in the comment section below. I'm gonna play music on this bad boy. Let's hear what it sounds like. So I'll need a phone. Give me that.
Bluetooth mode.
Did you hear that? It just said Bluetooth mode. This is a very nice stuff for only 4,000 naira, and you can get it on Jumia, but I won't put the link in the description because I won't get the commission for that. So you can go to Jumia and search for Zealot S1 and this bad boy will pop up right in your search. This stuff can do so many things. You can easily plug your USB and connect it to your device or laptop, and you can play music without connecting it wirelessly. This is way too much for just 4,000 naira, and you get an amazing device like this. Wow, this is very nice. I can easily fix it in my pocket and I'm good to go. Now let me connect this stuff and play music on it. And I almost forgot something. Right here we have the user's manual, and I think it's mostly in Chinese, and here is the English version. It's basically how you operate the stuff, how to turn it on, diagrams and all that. So let's play music on this bad boy. Did you hear that? Wow, these are the control buttons. The positive button goes to the next song and the negative button goes to the previous song. I think that's all for the unboxing of this incredible high quality tech product from Zealot. I really love this stuff. It's very nice and it's worth your money. You get more than what you paid for. I give them a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. I would love to see you next time, and please make sure you click the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and see you another time.